let me give you some context, because when I was at Pepsi, we were the first international company to locate in Ireland. And when I was at Apple, we were the first high-tech company to locate in Ireland. So I've had a long experience with the IDA. And part of the attraction of coming to Ireland wasn't just the tax holiday, which obviously is a big incentive, but it was also the incredible cooperation that we got in terms of getting talent. In fact, there were even courses in engineering at Cork University that were designed for Apple, for the type of talent that we needed. So if you look at Singapore and look at Ireland, these are small countries that have been able to be incredibly responsive and adaptive in terms of what international companies need. So yes, we loved the tax holidays, but we also appreciated the talent of the people. And my expectation is that we'll probably see some innovative tax advantages to Ireland even after the double Irish is changed. At the same time, I suspect at some point we'll see some changes in the U.S. tax code. We have a very punishing tax code, the highest corporate taxes of any country in the world, and we actually collect the taxes. And we get taxed on worldwide income, not just domestic income. So the taxes in the U.S. are the highest in the world for a corporation. And both parties understand, the Democrats and the Republicans understand that something has to change. So I suspect that whether it happens in the last 2 years of this administration as they try to rescue what has not been a particularly successful presidency, or whether it's a new government, regardless of whether it's Democrat or Republican in 2016, my sense is that in the end Americans are pragmatic, and they'll figure out that gridlock is not in anybody's interest, and they'll probably modify the tax code, and they'll make it less of a reason that international corporations have to go to choose locations just on the tax advantages. And I think Ireland will still have some appeal. Hopefully there will be some tax advantages, if not as good as the double Irish, but I think that there are other reasons to locate in Ireland beyond the tax advantages.